So yeah, as I say, as you see everything, you see everything in the place already, right? And everything there, and you know everything there and everything. So, all right. So you are a well qualified male nurse, you know. You understand? You qualify for your job.
Yes, boss.
You understand? Just remember what. Just all you need for the, you know. Your work is easy. Just get the patients them Panadol with water, that's all. Ensure that them pampers change if they wear pampers. But you're not responsible to that, you get all that small if you deal with that. But don't worry about that. All you need to do is give them the Panadol when the time come. And this is your uniform. You wear it, it's one, you know. So what you do, you wear it and you wash it. When you wear it, you don't wear it for 1 week. You wear it and then you wash it. Alright? You don't know nobody who do security work.
Yeah, I have a friend, man.
You have a friend? Good, you know him?
Yeah, man, I know him good, man.
Because I need a security to secure this place, and that's all I need now, you know, because we don't want nobody feel like they can just walk in and just come in and come do as they like and come try to assault my patients. Not them no mad. Sorry. My patients. Alright?
Yes, boss.
Put yourself together, man. Groom up yourself. Groom up yourself, doesn't it? No piano light upon him, because this is a very sophisticated healthcare, you know. And you see my bicycle? You see my bicycle? I ride this come here every morning, you know. You understand? Just when I come here one time with my bicycle, I don't want nobody ride it.
Yes, boss.
Here?
Yes, boss.
Them could have even want something at shop. Them should have even, their mother could have even drop down. I don't want nobody touch my bicycle. My bicycle is my pride and joy. What me say?
Yes, boss.
My pride and joy. So I don't want nobody touch it. You see, look? Just make it stay. Nobody touch my bicycle. You understand?
Okay, boss.
So yeah, that's your job as a male nurse. Take care of patients when it's necessary. And just do what you need to do. Alright?
Okay, boss.
Yeah. So come back early, you know. Come back, you start work tomorrow morning early. So be here by 7 o'clock, alright?
Okay.
Alright, sir.
Boss, I'm a security bridging this, you know.
You know nothing about security?
Yes, sir. Enough things about security. Security, what we do all the damn life, you know.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm running a facility, you know. Therefore, we take care of the mental people, you know. So all of the mad people in Municipal Road, we have, that's the facility we have where we take care of them. People carry them, then people come and we take care of them. Understand?
Oh, you mean like the models?
No, we're not running a mad house. We're running a mental health center. You understand?
Oh.
Alta Care Mental Health Department. You understand?
Yeah, me take a job.
Yeah, so we need somebody serious, you know.
We always serious, sir. Always serious. You see, one thing with me, we know my job. I know what is right from what is wrong.
Alright, I mean, don't need no sleeping, nothing. I mean, why you try to fornicate with none of the patients today, you know? Because them
Me? Fornicate with the patient there? But I'm mad too.
You might look upon them and think they're mad, they might look good. Trust me, they must sound look good. They'll tell people them, but listen, but that's not important.
Okay.
Don't look on them.
Okay,
Don't
okay.
look on them. So yeah, nurse Pony, get the uniform them and you start tomorrow, you see?
First thing tomorrow I'll be there early.
First thing. Don't be late, you know.
No man, never late. Are they man?
Yeah man.
Okay.
Alright, so we probably we come down here and submit. This is one of my office.
So how is the pay go?
You didn't even start work, you can't worry about pay. We're gonna get paid. We pay by the hour.
Alright.
You understand?
I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for birthday. Yeah, man. Respect you for
Alright,
this.
so
Let me ask you a question. Why every day you come here, you have to smoke that?
Why you don't understand? You want me come like a patient them there? You want me mad like a them?
I never say you're mad like a them, but you know, he's half a weed man.
You have to have a good meditation, man. You see me?
You're right. But that we put you over there too, if you can angle it.
No, me I do, man. You know if you do me thing, you know, man.
Daka come, hide. Morning, Doc. Morning, Doc. Where's the car, Doc? Where's the car?
listen to me. Good morning, sir.
Morning, boss.
I said morning already, sir. I said morning.
You could make me come out and come out from bicycle in peace. Eh? What do I do with that, sir?
We are having a prayer meeting.
2 men have prayer meeting. There's a new doctor coming down today, you know, straight from university. A new doctor coming down straight from university today. So listen, I want you to be on the P's and the Q's and get to act together. I can't.
Yes, boss. Q and our P's. We are here to serve and protect you.
Not me, the patients.
I
can't afford to mess it up, you know.
We can't protect them.
Yeah, what? And you, the much time I tell you to stop the smoking.
Okay, boss, I'm gonna stop it, boss.
Listen, I don't want you to think me I run a party shop, you say, you know.
No, boss. We are running a Madhouse party.
Listen, how much time me I tell you if you call it that? Eh? Don't ramp with me, you know.
What, boss, is what's inside, boss? Mad patient, boss.
They are civil servants. Civil servants.
I see a girl jump through the window there this morning.
Listen, I don't make no breeze touch my bicycle. I make nobody ride it. Yeah? Nobody no ride my bicycle. And anybody come to me, me not there. But when the doctor come, you can call me, yeah?
I want to take with her. After this, look on this. You think that's Christian? Eh? Come on, for acting like this.
So yeah, the man.
I can't try to park. I can't park in them nice place here.
So alright, me I can go for the patient, you know.
You give them food now?
Mm-hmm.
Left to leg. Even if you hide in your pocket, when come. We have too many mad people here.
Amanda, how long you there so sleep? Wake up, man. You know, say you don't eat nothing from me grandpa. Nothing in the house here. I carry one box food for you. Yeah. Let me see what they give you. Okay, right, pa, take it. So one fork here.
Box little do, mommy.
The box little? You not even ask me when me get the money from to buy you. They won't tell me say box little. You not even say thank you.
Thank you.
The box little do, mommy.
Thank
Why
you.
you craving though? Me go put that one up on the fridge top so till when me come back, cause me have to hurry and go and serve. Where your brother there?
In the bush. Got a bush.
A 2 box food me buy. So me dey beg you in the name of Jesus, leave some for your brother. Nobody in your man fi come know your style.
You tell your father diet.
Diet? Diet? Aye. Alright, Kitty. Me buy you one next one theme when me come or me give him some of mine. Make it stay up there so. Me a hurry right now. Me have to go outside right now. So take care of yourself. I no come out of your yard, you know?
I'm not going away.
Okay. Soon come back.
You know, my daughter, I give me a problem enough. Since she started TikTok, then her boyfriend left her, she just start become big idiot. I can't control her, none at all. I try hold her, but she frisky, she can't run. So, if you come, carry the youth here, look like he can run, and slim. You want somebody to run her down and catch her. You understand? So, she if it's a TikTok, she just start move. So she just alert to that, she just catch her. The TikTok, and by the time she run have to catch her. The man. Carry security to the toe, because look like him can run too. So me one day for the right place, me carry her come.
Yeah, man, this is the right place, man. Alkicare, we here at Alticare, we take care of the mentally ill and the sick.
Boss, Madhouse.
No, but just don't call it that, man. Don't call it that. It's a mental health care.
Because my daughter no mad, you know. Her brain just go and come. So she mad sometime and the brain come back. But TikTok and the boyfriend mad her out.
So that matter out?
Yeah, TikTok and boyfriend.
Alright, this is the right place. We have our staff here is very put together. Tell if we go trim. Tell if we go trim. And you
This is a Madhouse.
listen, don't make your money here, so that don't make your so that. So yes,
So what we go do, I have to go give you the location for you can find her. Right? This is the picture. Look. You see how she look? Nice, look, short thing. Nobody look at her now, because someone know the mental place, you know. Both son of one of them place there. Because my daughter is a pretty little girl, the body want her, you know. I don't know why she fall in love with that little dirty dog. The dirty dog mash up her heart, and now the heart mash up her head, and then she fall in a TikTok. What go on?
No.
At first,
No worry yourself.
when the boyfriend go left her, you know, she stop chatting, you know. She just no one left out of the house at all. Then when me see she pick up a TikTok, I say yes, this is something good. I start jump on her and she start clap and I start surf her. After a while, the whole place mash up. Me come see the house, mash up, everything mash up, and see that TikTok and I be a laugh, my laugh. So hope someone can manage that job, yeah.
Don't worry yourself, man. This is the right place, man.
Alright, so just let me know how much you go cost us. Pick him up and then when you don't have him, you call me. Where your number go? Press the number on the phone. That means say
Put your number in this.
that means say you call me as soon as you get control, she run from the road up and down.
Alright, don't worry yourself.
Just show TikTok. So TikTok on the road on there and you go see she come out.
TikTok.
TikTok. Cause that's which you alert to them to where they.
Yeah, we go fair now.
Go on.
No, man, yeah, come, man. Where do?
But boss, you know what you say? She mad.
Listen to me. This is what I pay you for. Don't ramp with me. Come.
Okay, boss.
And where you blasting shoes, man?
I can't afford one, sir. If you pay me good, me can buy one.
Listen, don't embarrass me saying no, man. Don't mind embarrass me.
Okay, you did sit down there, sir? What? You alright? Where your brother?
You must be outside.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. Me hungry. Amanda. We are on something.
Yes, mommy.
Manners.
Yes, mommy.
Me carry 2 bags food come here and me give you one. Where the next one me put on the fridge shop?
And Duppy love rice, you know?
Duppy love rice, and that you sell little girl. Duppy love rice, Duppy love white rice, Duppy no love rice and peas and a rice and peas in the box. Me no understand you, Amanda.
Well, me don't know, mommy. Me don't know about no rice.
Me no understand you. JR! JR! I went there. Boy, you know hear me I call you.
Yes, mommy.
Boy, you know hear me I call you.
Me there do something what I do.
Listen to me. Me buy 2 bags food. Me give your sister 1 and me put 1 on the fridge top. Are you eat it? Don't talk to me so. Me's your mother. No mommy or yes mommy for you. Have manners. Who eat the food?
Me know what food here.
You know what? Me not run it down in a JR. Cause me know you. Me know say you not take it and eat it. But when it come on to food,
See 2 bags of food.
Amanda, from the food she will eat
See
it.
2 bags of food.
I told Jesus Christ. Oh, God know me hungry. You know me glad. But Jesus Christ, queer. Bone. Hold on there. What watch ya?
I don't eat it.
Me know say I know you. When it come on to food, it not pass Amanda. Little girl, come here to me. Hello, Amanda. Come here to me. Come round here so. Me notice you act like you're deaf.
Mommy, everything when me see me. I me know said there's a God live it me not eat the food, you know. Look there, me can't gain 1 weight. I carry the food out I do a hide a breeze off the food. I see me eat the food.
Amanda, look in at me 2 eye them where God give me. Imagine you dey look on your mother and tell your mother such a lie.
Me no like when people don't believe me, no, mommy. Me no like when they don't believe me, no. Me not eat the food, you know.
Amanda, me buy 2 food.
Me couldn't gluttonous so eat the 2 food, mommy. Me could have never terrible. So me say I eat the food, mommy. Everything you don't believe me.
JR. Alright, me believe you.
Yes,
JR. She said you eat the food. Why you eat the food and tell me such a lie? JR, you eat it?
Mommy, may I tell you the truth? I would never eat your food. I when I was dead for hungry, I would never eat your food.
Alright. Me believe you know. Since I don't eat it, I must Duppy eat it. But me will tell you one story. I want to listen keenly. You understand? You see all you are going like a big woman, listen good. Because you always not listen, you know, that's why you not learn. One man live with his family them. His family them have cow. You understand me? A lot of cows.
Me talk look for me alone and talk. I'm nervous.
Me dey talk to you because me know say your fingers see me.
So you look for me alone
Because
and talk like a me. Look
me
for
no
me
say-
away, mommy.
Me dey alright. Me will look on you, alright. See then me I look on you and me dey look on you.
Yes.
But through your fingers see me have to warn you most because definitely me believe say JR do not trouble the food, but guess what? Me believe you too, you know, in a one different way. But me tell you about the man. He live with his family them. His family them raise a lot of cow. Me put down his fork. His family them raise a lot of cow. The man thief his own family them cow. And the family them always take care of the man. And the way the man lie and tell like say not thief the cow. Them miss the cow them, you know. And ask him. And he try Bible leaf and say no him. You know what they do? Find St. Mary. Eh? And come back and they chat about it so everybody know about it. You see, everywhere the man go, he in at the road. Cow. Moo. I'll be afraid of him when me see him. I be a moo and they have to cow. So listen now, just like when you take it and it's not you take it, me believe you know. But don't run yourself about it. Me I gotta send Mary right now. Okay. So anything happen to who take it is not my fault. Me I'm glad say no who no take
Travel
it.
good for the road, mommy, because to a road around vile with people, especially female. You sure you want to go?
Me they go.
Alright then.
I shall be going.
Me I pray for you.
Me they palm me way right now. Me don't go and no say no who no take it.
I don't know how we take it.
Me glad say no you.
TikTok! TikTok! That side, boss.
Because that's what Chuck I gonna make a hook.
Yeah. Direction.
TikTok! TikTok!
TikTok! TikTok! See no man, TikTok! Boss, come here girl! Boss! Boss, come boss.
TikTok, come here.
Come boss.
Come here.
One more.
I'm not gonna do anything.
Boss, one boss.
TikTok! Come here.
Boss.
TikTok, turn around. TikTok, turn around. TikTok.
Come here! Come here, look, look! Boss, boss, come on, boss. Come on, boss. Boss, where are you, boss?
Hold on.
Yes, boss. Come on, boss. Okay. Good job, boss. Good job. Good job. Good job, boss.
Jesus.
Good job.
Back this one. Hold on, hold on.
Food. Food. Hungry. Me hungry. Me hungry. Me hungry. Me hungry.
Amanda.
Me hungry.
Amanda. Are you really eat the food? Amanda, me and your mother, you tell me such a lie. Me can't believe. Look how me tell you if you talk the truth. And you take off God off a cross and chow up all Bible leaves. See there? See how you love them and y'all and them plastic.
Food. Me hungry.
Lord Jesus. Amanda,
Me hungry.
the woman tell me say this can't reverse. You know, no reverse or reverse. So guess what? Me I go take you and carry you go round and one mad place round there so.
Me hungry.
Come on.
Food round there.
Food.
Food round there.
Whole heap
Me
of food
hungry.
round there. You get enough of food down where you're near me now.
Love no food.
Whole heap of food. Come, get up.
A
Yes.
big plate of food.
Whole heap of food. One big jump on of food. Come. Come, get up. Get up, get up. Come on, come. One. Jesus Christ. Oh, so Lord have mercy. Me can't believe, Father God. Look what me own a picnic make me do. Make me feel say somebody come in my house and come take out the food and eat it. Amanda, who make you never tell me the truth? Jesus Christ, you know what? My dose me they carry you go.
Food. Food, are you?
Can't believe. Say look at me and tell me such a lie. This a spell you can't reverse.
Food.
Me can't carry away more than food there. You will get food. See how you lie. Shut up,
Mommy, me want food.
Shut up. Food, that food make you stay so now. Hello, sir. Good day.
Good day.
Okay, my name is Candy. Me bring my daughter come here, sir. Here's the right place where they carry the mad people them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, me would like to see the doctor.
Alright, now call him.
All right.
Food a fall.
Hurry up, cause me feel like we rain and
Food a
drizzle.
fall.
Shut up.
Food a fall.
Stand up, man.
Food, mommy. Food a fall. Food a fall, mommy. Food. I want food. Food.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Food. I want food.
Hello, sir.
Food a fall. Food.
Hey, Tappy Nice. Me bring her come make she come in at that institution here because me can't manage her. I hope you have the right medication for her because the way she bad, she want the strongest one.
So what I'm to her though?
The way she lie. And she cost this for herself.
Food.
Me buy 2 boxes of food.
Wow,
Give her one and put on one on my fridge top. Doctor, when me go and come back, my daughter eat the food and tell me like so she don't eat it. So me got St. Mary.
Hold on, wait. Is what you say you walk up upon your daughter?
And I me walk up on her now. She woke up on herself because I asked her if she eat any of the food and she said no. And I me trouble it, mommy. So me go out figure find out who do it. Cause me not understand how me come home with 2 food. Give her one, put one pan the fridge shop, and when me come back and nobody eat it. That means that up here come in my house so me go find out if I don't eat the food. When me come back, she mad. And me no want no mad people around me, right? That's what the right place or somebody direct me.
No. This is not a mad house, no. This is a mental health facility.
Well, fear health.
Alter care is a mental health. We deal with mental.
Well, fear health, no mental. He no proper. He gone wrong. No mental, no health. No,
Nurse.
Please don't ask if you handcuff her, sorry, you have to go tie her down on the bed because she's terrible. I hope you have a heap of food over here for her.
I have food.
Go on in,
I
go.
want food.
She will run away now.
I
No.
Hold on. Let me hold it back.
want food, mommy. I want food.
Lift her up.
Yes, boss. What then, sir?
Respect our manners.
Yeah, man. So what then, sir? You are a man with anything me want, me can get.
Yes, man. Anything at all, man, you want. And make
Alright.
you get.
You are going to know. My girlfriend, she just left college. But she want a baby. You see me? But me all me a try, she not get pregnant. I mean, no, see, I know me have a problem now, maybe a she. So here what happen? I want a baby. Which part me can get a baby for buy?
We can make you get a baby right now.
A baby right now?
Yeah, man.
Alright. How much it cost to get a baby?
Me can make you get a baby now, man. Anything you have, me can make you get him right now.
No, I want how much, brother? How much?
15 grand, man.
15 grand?
Yes, man.
Alright. You are one. When is me can get the baby?
Right now.
Right now?
Yes,
Alright,
man.
so here we are. Me go wait right there, so. You go get the baby and come back. Zin? Yeah, man. So when you come back, you get the money.
Alright.
Yeah, man. So me wait right there. So
Make certain, you know.
Go on and come, man. Me wait right there, so me nah move.
Alright.
Alright, go on, man.
So I go on, babes.
Nay.
Hello, babes. So I go on.
I'm not a babe. Don't call me babes. How many times should I tell you don't call me babes? We're done.
I mean, we're done just so. So I go on.
Look, man, I can't deal with your foolishness. Every day you come with the same silly excuses. You don't have money to maintain the baby. You don't have money to take care of me, and I should still stay with you. Look how you come for the baby. Is that a good way to come for the baby? You're not a proper father. I don't even know why I'm asking you to do me this favor, you know. It's only because I want the baby to know her father why I'm really asking you to take her to the daycare. How you look like that? Why your eye look so red?
What do me eye?
You high or something?
Everything alright, man. Just let me get the baby and do what me have to because me have to go up on the road, that's it. No joke thing right now. Me want to get busy, you know.
You know, right now I'm very scared to give you my child.
Give me the baby, let me do the bad this now, man. Or go on. Come now, man, my baby now.
Is your daddy okay?
Come, baby.
Daddy going to take you to the daycare, alright, baby? Make sure you bring the baby to the daycare, you know.
So we should bring him
And
go.
pick her up by 6 p.m. because I do not want to pay any late fees.
No
at
problem,
you.
man. So give me the money for the baby, man. Because I have the money for me now.
Money for what?
For the baby.
I paid everything at the school. I don't need to give you any money. I don't trust you with money.
I
shouldn't
still
even
need the
trust you
money.
with
Me
my
still
daughter.
need the money, same way.
To do what?
Me need the money to put even in my pocket.
The baby is 2 years old. And the only thing I've ever received from you was a pack of diapers and a small tin of Enfamil. Nothing else. I've been doing everything on my own and I'm still going to college.
Nothing at all, me never give it for the baby. You know, so you're very serious.
Go. Just go.
No problem, man. Worry your brain. Everything I go bad. I might be baby, you know. So me I go and do bad. Where you go, baby? Let's go. I pray.
Welcome, boss. So you say, baby, this, sir?
Yes, man.
That's a nice little girl. Come here, little girl.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, pretty baby.
All back there.
So wait, say, how much a baby you know?
You want 15 grand.
15 grand.
Then I must. I'll go along the road.
So what want in bag?
Hey,
What do you take out?
all papers in the field.
Alright,
Things
alright.
I'm ramp, man.
Alright, good.
Too much problem in my head.
Yo, so how you get that baby from?
Where me get her from? Let me make my baby. Right now, my baby mother, she alright.
Okay,
You don't have to worry.
Alright, give thanks, alright. Alright, so give thanks. So yo, remember you know, me don't know you don't know me, you know.
No your way. Just
Alright.
keep good.
Alright, give thanks, alright, my boss. Alright, big up yourself. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah. Samantha, forward there, Samantha. Samantha, forward.
Remy, why you calling me like that?
Forward there, Samantha.
Why you calling me as if you own me?
Babes, just cool man I go on and I pray. They
They're-
just robbed me, that's why I come.
They rob you, but they don't rob the baby.
They
I'm
robbed the
asking about
baby
it.
and they robbed the bag, everything. Gunman stick me up and rob
You
me.
must be out of your blood.
No, they robbed me to chew. Oh my God. Fuck.
Come here. What you say? What you say? Then do who?
They robbed me.
What do you mean by rob you and steal baby? Jeremy, come. You're not talking straight.
They robbed me. They thief the baby. They thief the baby and the bag. They
Steal
robbed
which
me.
baby and bag?
Oh
You
my
want
God.
to proper back? Jeremy. Jesus Christ. My one pitney, Jeremy. Why you worthless so? Why
They,
you make me just make them steal you and leave me pitney?
they never want to steal me. I baby they want.
I bet it's somebody you owe. Jesus Christ, God Almighty. What me I gonna do? Me one pitney, Jeremy. Jeremy, me I gonna kill you.
Samantha, just calm down, no man. Just give me 200 and I'm going to report it on a station.
200 what? You want
Dollar.
200 bucks?
Jesus Christ, man. Where's this man? Eh?
Boss! Oh God.
Where you come from?
You just got me something just jump out my shirt.
Listen to me. This patient where we are going to go for now. She's top priority. We need to get her off the street. She's top priority. Our baby got stolen and we need to get her off of the street because she's been mad ever since. You understand?
Another one of them.
Listen, this is the work. This is what you sign up for. So let us go and get her right now. Wait. Where your pants?
Boss, and they call me now. Our new girl to find me and try to get ready to come. But Well, go back.
Don't make this happen again. You hear me? I'm not running a party shop. Don't make this happen again. You hear me tell you?
Only talk to you.
Talk to him now,
Let me
man.
talk to him, boss, man. Give me pants and he so he coming now.
Yo, come on, man. Don't make this happen again.
Remember, tell me hours up.
Baby. Baby. Mommy, babe.
Wait.
Leave baby alone.
Relax.
Leave me, baby.
Don't worry. We're gonna take you. We're gonna take you off the street and bring you where your baby is.
My
Right?
baby.
No, this is not your baby. This is
My baby,
No,
my
let
baby,
it go.
my baby, let me go.
Let it go, man. Let
Leave
it
my baby, my baby, my baby, my baby,
Stop. Let it go, man.
my baby, my baby, my baby,
This is your
Welcome, man. Welcome to Alticare. We here. Listen to me. I'm talking to your mommy.
Baby.
So yes, as I was saying, we here at Alticare, we provide the best service for the mentally challenges people. You understand? And this here is my first assistant male nurse, Pony, and right here is my head of security, chief of staff.
Papa Matalan.
Right. So, and I am Mr. Philip Boilwell.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Philip Boilwell.
Nice to meet you, and I am Dr. Henry.
Dr. Henry?
Yes,
Alright,
I am.
very nice to meet you. But I don't understand why you bring your daughter. This is a mentally challenged place.
Madhouse, man.
No, man, how much time I must tell you? Do not call it that. Don't call it that. I'm at a box. Alright, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna just take the day and come back tomorrow so I can introduce you to the patients, and I don't want to take any risks. So I don't think it's safe for her to be here.
Okay, I can do that. But I didn't know there would be any risk, though.
Listen, these people, they come from all different kind of madness, and I don't want to take any risk with them. So the baby is too young. But it was nice meeting you again, Miss Henry.
Yeah.
And thank you for coming to the Alticare, and I'll see you tomorrow, alright?
No problem. I'll be back tomorrow.
Alright, no problem.
Thank you.
Let me see you too beautiful.
Stop it, man.
Boss.
Stop it.
Singing protection. Why are you doing that?
Protection. Boss, I'll fire you soon.
You know that madhouse is.
Madhouse, the boss will fire you because you want to look at woman.
Rude baby. Rude baby. Hungry. Baby sleep. Hungry.
Hello.
Baby daddy.
Stop it, man. I'm trying to tell you I'm not the baby daddy. Come in now.
Hungry. Baby daddy love you.
So yes, these are our patients now. Over there we have 006. AKA foodie. So she eat off everybody food. Right? Over here we have 007. Which is AKA TikTok. If you say you have to be careful on the word TikTok. She might have jump up on you. Yeah? When I say TikTok. Stop it, man! Yeah, and this one is 008. She did breed one, cokehead did end up breed her. So you know how you go with cokehead. The man sell everything. Listen to me, how much time I must tell you it's not a baby. Give it to me. Give it to me! Stop! Control.
Calm down. This is what you have to put up with on a daily basis?
Every day.
I think you need to govern them, man.
Govern? I can't do more than what I can do, you know. These people come from all different sides of madness. Listen to me?
No, doctor, but first, you can't have 3 persons in a room. This is dangerous.
I mean, I can't do better. Look at them. TikTok, stop it!
Doctor, right? You don't talk to them like that. They're already experiencing mental challenges, right?
No, ma'am. They are already mad, you mean? They are out losing their brains.
I understand that, but you have to be sympathetic towards their needs, alright?
Right? What
Alright,
needs?
alright, listen, I have to run now, you see? So you take over and take charge of the
Doctor.
situation.
Doctor, I don't think
you want to talk so much,
Doctor,
you take charge.
I don't think you're handling the situation.
Hello?
These persons are seriously challenged. What you're saying now, security?
The only time he come in here, unless somebody new come here. He left us to deal with these people.
Alright,
Chief
okay,
news
security.
skills,
I appreciate your input, but that's it. I'll take over from here.
You
Alright?
can handle them?
Yes, I can.
Why that one never super come?
Alright, have a great day.
Don't call me no madam.
Have a great day. I'll call you when the need arises, okay?
Take that. Take care.
Thank you.
Baby, sleep.
Hello. Give me a minute, please. Good day.
Good day.
The doctor is here?
Yeah, doctor inside.
I come to look to my daughter. She alright?
Yeah, man, she alright.
Alright, so I can come inside?
Yeah.
Thanks. You can call the doctor for me, please.
Hello?
Good day. I'm here to see my daughter.
Your daughter?
Yes, how is she doing?
Well, she's doing quite madly, you know. She's getting along. She's coming along.
Doctor, what are you trying to tell me? That my daughter get worse than how I take her here?
I mean, you just how long since you bring her come?
It's been a while.
It's been a while,
Mm.
right?
That mean I'm looking for her to get better.
I never mean say no go mad your daughter, you know. So no come here with this nonsense.
Doctor, now get me on my wrong side. Me can't believe. No, doctor, me care something fair. Me care $500 fair that me have. Me not get me pay yet.
So what you think? What you think she can do with $500?
Doctor, me not talk about that. But me care for rubbing on my face so. Me know say me hubby and my daughter, but it's not my fault. So why you have to rub it in my face? Me shame. Shame a kill me.
You could have never shame. That's a madness. This is total madness. What you gonna do?
I know my fault. I choose she name too much. Sake of food. I know you come and rub in on my face like me and her mother. Me know say me do something wrong, but at the end of the day, it's not my fault.
Alright, and you come here now, you bring $500. What she can do with $500? What she can do with $500? Eh?
Doctor.
You know how much bills me have to pay a year for one patient? Each time them use the bathroom, each time them flush the toilet, you know how much bills, how much money that?
Doctor,
Eh?
look here.
This cannot cover it.
It look like you don't want me $500. Give me it back. I don't have no food here. Government are going up everything for give patient them. Me gonna me yard. Me go take him from here and put him on one different place.
Listen to me. Where is this security?
He not come and work today, no boss.
What do you mean he not come to work today? Listen, me know you know, and me talk to you, and tell you say me want a decent security and security work and know if you doing job. And you recommend him to me, you know. So you tell me say.
Me I talk to him for you, man.
Me know want you talk to him, he need to be here early every morning, he need to be there so. Because them mad woman you couldn't come in here, you know. This is Iris. What if I did some man come in here if you take away one of them mad somebody? What if I did something else? Eh? Get it right, man.
Alright, bossy.
And you have a blasted cigarette and this damn weed you smoke make you out there so? Eh? You give the patient them their medication already?
Yes, boss.
After all, man.
I can't believe my mother out me wanna pick me. Oh God.
Candy, I want to take candy.
You know, say over a mad place me come from.
What happened? What happened over there? Who fear over there?
My daughter mad out and me did have to carry her go over there.
What mother wrote?
You know, so me no know.
What you mean you don't
Just
know?
mad out and me carry him over there because me say yes so then keep him all like mad people them.
Why over there me I go right now too, you know?
How where you go over there for?
My baby mother over there.
Eh?
My baby mother over there.
Your baby mother?
Yeah.
I want to she.
Why she mother out, you know, because they ain't thief with baby.
Then thief your baby, mine
Yeah,
a bunny a gee girl.
Whoa. That's my baby, you know. So, me have to stress out to over there me I go right now, Candy. So, I don't know where I go on.
Over there me I come from. You see the doctor man there, you know why me not disrespect that man there? Because I them have to give my daughter medication and other family have them family over there. I mean no one thing go give me daughter no wrong medication. Look how go mad out worse than how she stay. Me can't believe if I see a man a rank with me. I want $500 me did have, you know. And me take him and give him and tell him say buy something for me daughter. You know what man do? Start style me and they hold you up so. In the ear and they say if $500 can be. Me just grab it back from him and do it. God no, me can't take it. Although right now me don't know what go happen because she over this one she don't look like she get no better. Worse she get.
Just be nice.
All
Everything I go alright. Just
Alright,
take your
take care.
time and pray to God.
Alright.
Over there me I go.
Yeah.
Alright. Yes, boss. Why pray now? I go on.
Yeah, man.
You know, sir. I'm wife me come check for my hospital. Yeah, man. Cause she's sick and she over there. Come check for her. Is it?
Oh, me have to go call it that, man.
Yeah, man. Tell it that. Yes, doc. Evening, sir.
Good evening.
Come check for my wife over here. Because she's very sick and she over here.
Check
Come
on who?
check my wife.
What do you mean you can't check for your wife?
My wife very sick and she over there, over the hospital over here.
Where
And me come and the security tell me that I have to get to the doc. And I said I go and come. So
What
I
your
wanna-
name? What your name?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
My name is Jermaine.
Jermaine?
Yes.
But we know about Jermaine and any of the mad patients, not the mad patients, our patients list of people who should come in. We don't have no list, we don't name no on the list. And you know, look like somebody where allowed for you look like a somebody where they don't want a facility for yourself for men. You see me? A male facility. Not this facility. We want to accommodate women here. You understand? We don't allow men here.
So you're telling me that I can't see my wife? And she's very sick. I want to see my wife. What you are talking about, doc? Come on.
What is the wife name? What is the wife name?
Yeah, the brown one, that is my wife. The one that they keep the baby. So I want to come here to see that I can give her back a baby. So,
Boss man, listen to me. I can't allow you on this facility. Plus, the time of evening, we don't allow visitors here at this time of the night. You understand? By the way, you look like you can do security work.
of course.
Eh?
Of course, I can do work, of course. Security, anything.
You have any experience in doing any security
Of
work?
course.
Alright, here we go now. Because the security one I have here nah function so well. So what you gonna do, you gonna come back tomorrow and check me. Just come back early in the morning. I'm give you a rundown and
Give me the time that I should check you because I have a lot of business.
you have a lot of business. What kind of business? I don't want your business to cross path with in a mind.
No, your business not in your security work, okay? That is my business.
Alright, so come in the morning, man, about 9 o'clock.
Alright, no problem.
Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And what next time not come here looking so in a no cut off foot jeans and no slippers. This is a upscale privileged mental facility. You know, come here looking like that. You hear me, sir?
Jamaican have no rule in us, so we can't come anyhow. I say things. Eh?
Spoonie. Take the blasted weed out. Much time I chat to you.
Alright, boss.
Don't laugh at me, man. This is what I'm telling you, say now. You see that security boy there? I don't want me. I go fire him. Me, I go fire him and hire somebody else. Because these people not supposed to come on my facility. They're not supposed to come here. This is a well uptown groom privilege facility. You hear me tell you?
Okay,
And
that.
next time not come, if them people that come here don't come call me. Yeah? But allow him tomorrow to come here because I want a new security. Yeah? But other than that, don't come call me if you know and stop on the weed, man. Oh. So you see, this is protocols when it comes to lunchtime. Right? We have to
Protocol.
yes. This is lunchtime now.
But Doc, I mean, this is just bread and butter. This is not nutritious enough for these persons.
I mean, the fat, give them fat. The bread, give them protein.
I mean, this is just pure fat and bread. And I mean, what about the other nutrients? What about the vitamins and minerals? The least you could do is give them like an apple or a banana and so on.
If I could, I would. But because the government not really sending much for them, we have to give them what we can. You see? Finger licking! Listen to me, don't do that, man. How much time I must tell you? Come around here. And don't come in front of me. Sit down, man. Did you behave yourself? Who? You did owe for one from last week.
One more.
Listen to me, no
One
more.
more. One more.
Come. Come.
Come on, man.
Sorry, you mentioned take a break. Yeah, you that. You mentioned take a break.
Food.
Eh? Let me, man. Come.
Rude baby, don't do that.
Come, she now get no butter. That's it.
Want juice? I'm not getting drinks.
No, rest it. Your man so come take care. There? You see, doctor, what I have to deal with? Eh?
Oh my God, I see what you have to put up with. It's just so difficult. You know?
Mighty God, if I did ever give them steak, how they would have behave? If me feed them steak, I have
But I mean, if you can, then you should give them proper and balanced meals.
Come on, guys. Calm down.
Give me back my bread. Eating belly Johnny.
That's what I'm talking about with that crave one.
Oh
You
my
take
goodness.
everything from everybody.
It's just so unbelievable.
Alright, but here, you go have the lunch now. You see, a soup come.
Alright, that's fine.
Alright, a soup come. That's not near your lunch, it's the room.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah.
Alright.
Rude baby.
Alright, as always, thank you guys for watching. This is a brand new series that we just started. So I want you guys to show all the support that you can show. You don't know where I use up the apartment, so we just try to spin it in all different type of way for you guys just to enjoy what we do and show all the support. Right now I'm really tired. It will come close to the end of the month, so I try to ensure so we can have this for post tomorrow so you guys can watch. So if you watch it and you hear me, that means I will post it. Special thanks to everybody. As I said, I don't like to call names, but special thanks to everybody that has been supporting what we've been doing. Because you always have people who reach out to us and support us, whether through cash or through kind, or even just to message me and say, yo Richie, I love what you do, continue if you do. Continue what you do. Thank you for that, because you don't know, it takes a lot of hard work just to do what we do, just to get up every day, create this content, keep things organized, you know, manage the place in terms of providing food, ensuring that the bills are paid, and just keep things rolling. And I know a lot of times people might come on the channel and even some might say it or some might don't say it. When we come on and we say, if person want to contribute, oh, we beg too much or whatever. Persons need to know that what we're doing, it takes a lot of effort, both financially and both physically. So we always need support when we can. And I am the type of person that if we need help, I'll ask. If people don't want to help, they just don't help. And if they want, because I mean we are Jamaicans, and in order for us as a black race to push forward and to reach to a better dimension as a country and a whole, we need help and we need to support each other for that to be possible. And thank you to all of the actors and actors them who show them skill and help to push forward the thing. Big up all of the other channels them who affiliated with us, because you don't know we have other channels who are still family things same way and them show support. Big up on yourself. And the funny thing about creating movies, since we have Richard Brown Films, there has been so many other channels that has branched off and that has been inspired by what we do over here at Richard Brown Films. And it's not about me boasting or anything, it's reality. And those who know will know. You know what I say? So big up on yourself and continue to show support and stay humble. Big up on yourself.
This is the right place because we
Right, institution. So this are the... Ready?
this way, I'll take care.
Yeah, ready.
Come, you go on here. Boss, sorry, boss!
You don't want to do a cheat here. We want to make it sometime, but I don't like it. I slide in.
Yes, boss! She's laughing, man.
You know that, Richie?
In Jamie?
Yeah!
So I'll jam, where you jam out, brother?
This is jam. I said we go.
I don't jam me with it. I thought me feeling it, it.
No,
You go about in it, man. Alta, where you jam out, brother?
You're wicked, you know.
Alright, come, go back in the same position. Come here, want make you jam, brother?
You have to fork.
Come.
What do you need that? Make it just wait, let me see it.
Remember now, you know.
Action.
Food, mommy. Hungry.
Hello, sir. Good day.
Good day.
I wonder if I get the right direction. I saw them keeping mad people them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I come to see the doctor.
They say doctor is not here though.
He gone home to come back or a lunch he gone pan. What happened?
I'm going for lunch break, man.
So you don't know if he soon come back or what. I want to know go because I'm my daughter, my car come. I want them to take her in another place here. I can't manage it no more. And I hope you have a lot of food over here.
Lunch.
Yeah, I can't take care of him, man.
You can take care of my daughter?
He doctor can't take care of him, man.
Okay, so what you do over here, sir? You look like your assistant. So what man can for your shirt? Chop back sides. Silekwa. Speciality hospital, a good place. I hope you take care of my daughter, you know. Because I know say, you know, place like this look so nice and pretty. But you know, take care of people. When they carry their family come here, you know, they don't take care of people family, you know.
We take care of the family, man, because we take care of another one them in there, you know.
A lie. So that means I have nothing to worry about. And a matter of fact, I smoke. I hope you not give my daughter, you know.
No, man, I give no ganja for bun.
Let me not understand. How you dey on your job and not smoke?
You see boss and they just go and burn 2 spliff till he come, huh?
So what is your name, sir? Come, stand up, cause you put yourself in this problem, you know. I can't stand up, you name too much about you're hungry. Anyway, I don't have no food over there, can me make sure, tell her, you know, cause somebody tell me about that place. I thank God me reach at the right place, and me tell her already, say, I want jump on a food over here for she. You don't have a lot of food over here?
Yeah, man, food in there, man.
Okay, so anyway, please me the beg in the name of Jesus. Nobody give me that and nothing for smoke.
Nah, give me no ganja for smoke, man.
Food.
Anyway, come, mother, you can make me sign her in, make she go in, no?
Yeah, man.
Alright, mother love to sign her in. Cause me have to leave her. You can't turn back after me yard. Food. Shut up about your food. Shut up about your food. Food. That food make your tan so. Food make your tan so.
Food.
No. Come back. Oi, come back here, fucker. You now come back in my yard. Me not nothing left down there for you now.